So, the idea was to build something quick and dirty, which I could give to my brother as a Christmas present. I scribbled some ideas for a simple headphone stand, heavily inspired by a video from Chris Solomon that I watched a few years ago. I thought about round shapes, but the straight ones seemed somehow more appealing. After creating a 3D model in Fusion 360, here's my final plan. The headphone stand is made up of layered, wooden and acrylic sheets, each one around 3mm thick. I exported the different parts as an SVG file so that I could laser them in my local MakerSpace. So let's watch me stacking sheets on top of each other.